G'day Australia, Andy Roberts here. What have we been doing for the last 12 months? Well, sold the house. We moved into the caravan and we've been travelling around the Mornington Peninsula. From Dramana, Rosebud, Caple Sound, Balneary, Stoney Point. And we go to Rawson and even to Rosebud North. Hey, let's go and have a look, eh? Here we are, Rosebud, foreshore, camping grounds. We're booked here for 12 weeks. 12 weeks at $1,200. That's $100 a week. Can't get much better than that. You got power, water, well, limited water. You got to share the tap with probably about 6 or 7 other campers. Power and very good facilities, which are very cleaned twice, even 3 times daily, and most of the time it's only the weekenders that are down here, so it's only busy really on Saturday and Sundays. So what are we doing? Debs and I, we've quit our jobs and we've sold our home after 35 years of being in that house. So we made the decision to sell, buy the caravan, and we're going to go north. It's a big decision. Do we want to do it? Yeah, we want to get out and have a look at this magnificent country that we've got.
Alright. Where are we going? We're going left or right?
We're in Phillip Island.
Yeah. Okay. So we're leaving in July, right? When does it start getting warm? Not until
Like it makes sense to do this.
No.
September.
But then,
Yeah.
oh, this is
Slowly.
fun. So we do this, don't we? But you want to go over the boat because that's Dad's thing. He needs to go on the boat for some reason. What?
I'll just chuck it over. Hang on.
Hang on, don't push me.
Nah, hang on.
I'm just going to chuck it over.
Yeah, go.
Alright, now where do I put it?
What? In a bag. Have you got a bag?
No. I've got a bucket.
Hang on. Oh, fuck. Oh, fuck. Hey up. No, I'm just going to pass the bucket, the bag to you.
Okay. Yeah. Alright, now piss off.
No. No. And I got no more bags. Because you got it. No, hang on. Come for no.
Oh, you have got a bucket.
Oh, no, you won't. It won't open. Oh, fuck off in. Oh, he did it. Well done, mate. How does that feel?
Real good.
Here he comes. A very proud man at the moment. In the distance there. 2 nice laddies. Go and see what your daddy's done. He's caught a fish. But don't go in the water.
Alright. Hello. Were you good? Were you good for Mum? Two fishes and a big one.
A big one?
Yeah, go tell Mum so that she doesn't get angry at me.
Rawson Caravan Park, $40 a night. They got a pub there. Look, the pub prices are a little bit expensive, $36 for a parma, but hey, we ordered a garlic pizza for $6, one parma to share. We still had to take a doggy bag and take it back home. We'll probably have that for lunch. The sites, big sites, you fit 2 vans on one site, and they've got en suites on each site, so you got your shower and toilet, and it's beautiful. Apart from maybe a lot of the trail bikers or dirt bike, motorbike guys come down, they use the park after a day out riding, and of course those guys get really muddy, and it's good they come back. You can have fires, so they light their fires, sit around, they chat, they laugh, talk about their day's riding, and of course then they can wash off, have a nice hot shower and so forth. But really enjoy the Rawson Caravan Park. Yeah, put it on your bucket list, and when you're there, there's heaps of other things to go and do. Walhalla, the train ride, you got the Thompson River just over the road here, great for trout fishing, and it's all and plenty of 4-wheel drive tracks, not hard, just some dirt tracks, just to get out in the bush and just have a look around. So I recommend the Rawson Caravan Park. All right, let's get out of here. Let's go and check out some more of these tracks. We're just coming out of the caravan park here at Stoney Point, and we've got the boat ramp here just here in front of us, and then just up over here is the jetty, and that's where the ferry comes in, and the ferry will take you out to French Island and Phillip Island. And it actually looks like it's about to come in. It looks like a few of the, they've closed the wharf off. So they've closed the jetty. Anyway, alright, let's head up here and see what's going to happen. I've been at Stoney Point now for 3 weeks. We were here just prior to Christmas. Let's pop in here and just have a look. Anything?
No.
Not a thing.
What hard of paddling into the wind?
Saw you heading off over there.
Huh?
I saw you heading off over.
Around.
Yeah, so I went for a walk up the jetty and I saw someone out fishing over there, and I thought,
close to him,
oh,
but then I went back all the way around there.
oh there. So this is the jetty where the ferry comes in, and it's the ferry that runs you over to French Island and Phillip Island, and then back here at Stoney Point. The ferry's just taken off at the moment. That's where you get, and just over here is where you can put your luggage, and it's all locked up and everything's all secured. Really hope you guys enjoyed that video. Anyway, we're off to Phillip Island next week. Killy Pub, go there for a meal. We'll do Inverloch, Tidal River, Golden Beach, 90 Mile Beach, and head on east to Bairnsdale and maybe up to even Eden. But anyway, if you subscribe to this channel and like it, you'll be notified of when the next video comes up. Anyway, hope you enjoyed it, guys. G'day, Australia.
G'day, Australia. And baby, I did it.